Ron Lauderbach reading Local Lounge. Tap handle is always in the bar, but he stays out of sight. Most of the time he lies snoozing behind the bar on the bone-shaped rug patrons bought for him when he wandered in during a storm a couple of years ago. He wears a military collar and limps a bit, but won't talk about it. When there's a troublemaker, he growls, "Get out of here," and then bounces the guy. From time to time, Tap Handle comments on incorrect statements or helps a drunk barfly find a word. The regulars know he can talk, but it's not looking for conversation. Although if a customer is feeling blue, he'll curl up at the foot of their bar stool. He's not big on sports, but he puts up with baseball on account of the hot dogs. Maybe from his military experience, Tap Handle can sense authority, and when a municipal auditor shows up, he wriggles under the bar behind the backup stock. The inspector checks everybody's ID, the restrooms, and the fire escape. "This guy's an asshole," comes an anonymous remark in an accent the auditor can't quite place.